In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this stripes pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we need to use an algorithm, and the algorithm is LU, F2R, LI, U2, BI, D, B2, LF, BI, LFI, R. So let's go through that then nice and slowly. We go L, U, F2, R, LI, U2, BI, U, D, B2, L, F, BI, RI, L, FI, R. And that has given us all these stripes. So to undo this pattern and put us back to a completed Rubik's Cube, you see how we've got three faces with the same three colours. Same with these colours. Well, you want one set of these colours on the front, one set on the right, one on the back, and then this becomes our front face. So not like this, we've got one on the front, one on the left, one on the back, but we don't have one on the right. The right one is part of these colours. You want this one as the front, same colours on the right, same colours on the back. This one is our front face, and these columns are vertical. And then we can just repeat the same algorithm one more time. So let's do that then. We go L, U, F, 2, R, L, I, U, 2, B, I, U, D, B, 2, L, F, B, I, R, I, L, F, I, R. And that puts us back to a completed Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos. And also, if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.